This video is for entertainment purposes only, not financial advice.
Oh my God, would you believe this? This is freaking crazy.
Hey guys. So for the previous 2 months, I was trying to find a real way to get some free crypto. And I found this jam just 2 days ago. And I still can't believe what I've got because this is crazy.
But before I continue, guys, I want to say that all I'm showing you is my personal experience. I don't give financial advice and, it's only for entertainment.
First, let's go via this link. This thing helps me make better decisions in the game that's called Mines Ton. I think many of you guys played it or played something like that. It's a very popular game. It's #1 in the Telegram App Center. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm clicking here and place it here. All right, let's continue. I'm pasting my client seed. Paste it here. And this. All right. All right, there we go. Now everything is ready and we can begin. Okay, I click here and choose this. Yeah, but here's the thing. The limit has been reached. All right, yeah, I'm going to fix that. As you can see, here are the requirements. Okay, give me just a second. I'm going to do something. I need this one. And gooing here. Paste it. Now I'm going to enter this amount like that. I hit confirm. And yep, it's done. It's already done. It should be there. So I'm gonna go and check it out. So I'm going here. I need reload the page. And just look at this, it's already there. So, oh God, guys, would you believe this? This is freaking insane. Oh my God, now I can see everything. Okay, now it's gonna be more interesting, I guess. The main thing is not to make a mistake. Okay, look at that, guys. Look at this. This is dope. This is literally a gem. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna withdraw this. Give me just a second. I'm going to be real quick. Now, I'm going to enter this amount like that. I'm copying my address. All right, I'm pasting it right here. And confirm. Let's check my balance. Come on, refresh. Let's go. Come on. I'm so freaking excited. I'm so freaking nervous. Oh my God.
Oh my God, would you believe this? This is freaking crazy.
I can't speak because I'm on cloud 9. But oh my God, guys, I'm so freaking excited. You saw this yourself, so be sure to join my channel, and thanks for watching.